Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can group elements in the canvas or designs you create on Penpot. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your web design draft and insert a couple of elements to the given page. I will go with page number 1 here. So I'm going to group these two rectangles here. So left click into the first one, press and hold left control, left shift and click into the next one to select both of them. Now both have been selected, but it's not the same as grouping them. As you can see here on the left hand side, these are two different layers. So what you want to do is right click into one of them and choose group, or use the shortcut Ctrl G, and that has grouped them into one grouped layer. You may expand it by clicking into that arrow and then select each of these layers individually. But you can also select the entire group and move them as a group, edit them, and so on and so forth. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.